What is going on, everybody? We are back on this beautiful Wednesday, August 28th, for our final Halloween Horror Nights construction updates for Universal Studios Florida 2024. We're going to take a walk around, take a look at all the updates that they've done since we were here last week. They've also opened up the tribute store, so we're going to do a nice walkthrough of that. Let's go ahead and get started. They have added the glorious Halloween Horror Nights medallion that we've been waiting for. Color scheme matches the icons Surreal and Sinister this year with this blue and pink, and they have also added the posters up here in the archways for all the IP houses. Been waiting all year for this, super excited to see it. Unfortunately, they have not added anything to this front scare zone, the Duality of Fear. All we got this year was the cloths. Kind of sad, but you know, is what it is. Still got this glorious, beautiful Halloween Horror Nights sign. It looks like it's lit up right now. It's pretty cool. They put up all the stanchions for the line for this house over here in Music Plaza, so that's all set up and ready to go. We're gonna head inside and take a look at the tribute store. In this video, it's gonna be a pretty brief overview, but I'm gonna put another video out tomorrow or the next day, really in depth, looking at all the little details in here. And that is going to be our quick tour for the tribute store for the 2024 season. Let's go ahead and make our way around the park and take a look at the small updates that they've done since we've been here last week. And a couple of quick updates over here on the main Torture Fair stage. They have added this steering wheel that will control this body. It doesn't really control it, but it makes it seem like they're controlling it. And it also looks like we've got some kind of spears set up along the wall here. Got some covering over some of them, so I'm sure it's like a head or something under there. They've also added this railing over here along the edge. This was not here last time we were here. Over here on the Brazen Bull stage, they have added this kind of air thing. I can't remember what they call this. It's used to blow air and stoke the fire. It's pretty cool looking. I can't remember if this was here last week, but over on the Aim and Maim little booth here, they've added this body. I think this was here last time, but just in case. Over here on the Blood Eagles stage, you can definitely see what's going on in there. Gruesome. Over here in Sting Alley at the Quiet Place food booth, they've added a couple of these little painting drawings here. Nice little detail. This is pretty cool. This was not here last week, this little setup here in Sting Alley. It's got the little toy from the first movie. Some stuff up there about the creatures and surviving. And that is it for the New York section of the park. Let's make our way over to San Francisco and see if we can find anything new over there. And we'll take a quick pass through San Francisco and see if they've added anything over here. Looks like the only thing they've added is these jelly beans on top of this barrel over here. And that's about it. Yeah, that is it for San Francisco. That's all we're getting this year. Let's keep on making our way around the park and see what else we've got. And over here at this stage in front of Lombard's, finally got our theming. It's promoting the Wolfman movie for next year. Got a wheelbarrow and some bales of hay out here. It's pretty cool. And it looks like I've officially been proven wrong. Not the Peacock Bar. These signs leading you back behind Lombard's are definitely Fanta themed. So that is the theme of the bar this year. It's pretty cool over here at these bars behind Lombard's. They've added some cool spooky stuff back there, some coffins and some cool creepy lamps and candles and stuff. And back here at the Nightmare Fuel stage, they finally put up all of our signage for the event this year. And they've also set up the stanchions to corral everybody into the show. They've added this cool photo op over here in front of animal actors for the Blumhouse stuff. Face your fears. I'm sure that lights up down here at the bottom. I bet it looks awesome at night. And let's take one last pass through Central Park over here at the Swamp of the Undead and see if we can find anything new. Looks like they've added some lighting to the bottom of this truss work here to help illuminate things. One big change is they brought down those cables with the vines and mesh that was hanging down. That storm last week was too bad and they decided to pull it all down. And that is it for the Central Park area over here at Swamp of the Undead. Let's go ahead and make our way over to Battery Park and take a look and see if they've added anything over there. At Battery Park over here, we've got the official name for the bars. Universal Creative did confirm this, that these are going to be officially called the HHN Bars. Behind the HHN Bar over here, they've added 2 more stages since the last time we were here, and these steps for these characters to walk up onto them. They've added this sign photo op thing for Halloween Horror Nights on this truss work behind the bar on the water's edge pathway back here. And we are going to take our final walk through Hollywood here and take a look at a few small additions they've made. On these stages here, it looks like they've added a little bit of vine work, creepy looking stuff on the edges. Looks like we got some skeleton hands coming out of there, and it's like a torso coming up out of this. Got the head wrapped up. I'm excited to see this on an opening night. Got another skeleton hand sticking out of here. In total, we have 3 of these new creepy tree branch twisted looking things. I almost can't believe it, but we are done with the construction updates for Halloween Horror Nights 2024. Kind of sad to see it go, but I'm very excited because that means the start of the season is right around the corner. Really enjoy doing these videos for you guys. If you've made it this far, hung out this long, definitely stay tuned. We are doing all of the major haunts this year, getting the best footage possible. You guys are going to enjoy it. Once again, really appreciate you guys hanging out. As always, we'll see you next time.